7 ideas that you can start implementing now to set yourself up for financial success in 2025 and beyond. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes on these game-changing strategies. Number 1, investing in dividend-paying stocks. By purchasing shares in companies that pay out dividends regularly, you can earn a steady stream of passive income without having to lift a finger. Number 2, real estate investing. Whether you're flipping properties or renting them out, real estate can be a lucrative source of passive income if done correctly. Number 3, create an online course or digital product. With the rise of e-learning platforms, there's never been a better time to share your knowledge and expertise with the world while earning passive income. Number 4, create a passive income stream through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services on your website or social media channels, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Number 5, start a blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable content that attracts a large audience, you can monetize your platform through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 6, create an app or software program. If you have coding skills or a great idea for a digital product, developing an app or software program can generate passive income through sales or subscriptions. Number 7, rent out your belongings. From renting out your car on a platform like Turo to listing your spare room on Airbnb, there are plenty of ways to turn your assets into passive income streams. And there you have it, folks. 7 passive income ideas for 2025 that actually work. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.